Well, Tara Tescher's back in our show. She's got a lot of great items for us. This is the coolest thing ever.
Is this not amazing?
I love this. Okay, so it's a countertop holder, and it's the smartest idea. I wanted to ask you where you got the inspiration from for this.
Yeah, so first and foremost, it started like really to hold garlic, right? This is a lot of times we throw it in a bowl, and what do you do with it, right? The fact that you can do this is absolutely perfect. So again, I want to talk a little bit about the design also. So you have that beautiful cutout right there in the front. So anything you want to put in here, sponges if you wanted to, candies, we'll show you some Keurig cups. This is that versatile countertop storage or holder. You have the cute little handles here on the side, the finial on the top, but it's all one piece. Beaded detail that runs around the edges, and then you have all these piercings that run around the sides. And the piercings are what's going to allow that airflow to go through. You could tuck this in the refrigerator if you wanted to, leave it out on your countertop if you wanted to. It is truly one of those beautiful, versatile pieces, and it is beautifully hand done and hand painted and gorgeous. It's definitely something you want to leave out on your countertop.
All right, so listen, we're already limited.
Never done anything like this.
And I got to give you an update on what's going on with this. We start right over here with confetti.
Oh, we have the colors back here if that's easier.
Oh,
yeah, because we don't have them all up here.
Thank you so much. Okay, so confetti right over here. We have only 370 to go around. I'll take you over here to the green. I have 225. Down over here, the blue, 270. Now, those are our old world. Come on over here. We'll see the floral lace. There's your gray. Fewer than 200. Red. 280. Black. Fewer than 200. Cobalt blue.
Look at that blue.
330. And then this one is your
That's the cranberry. And I'm holding
100 and
sorry.
Oh, 190. And then
I have Pawfetti. Yeah. So I wanted to show you all of the great details.
There's only 300 Pawfetti.
Okay. Yeah. Pawfetti, one of our newer patterns and super popular. Look at this. This you can really truly see all the cutouts, all the piercings. Look how sweet it would be just to even just tuck a tea light inside here. You can use this for so many different things. So whether you're using it for a little candy jar, isn't that cute? These taffies that MC shares with all of you. By the way, bought a bag, obsessed, eat 6 a day. Yeah, don't want to talk about it. I was just giving him grief.
At least you keep it to just 6.
Well, because that's what the calorie count tells me. He was dying just now when we were talking about it. But there, again, garlic, holding all your garlic. And again, potatoes in here, onions in here if you wanted to. And then look at how sweet this is, right? I love the idea of your Keurig. Put it next to your Keurig that Melissa had on earlier. And now it holds all your pots.
And then what's over here? Oh, we have like a little potpourri or something like that.
Love that idea.
And then there's your sponges.
And then the sponges. And those are actually our scrub daddies. So whether it's the round scrub daddy or that, you can put your sponge in there. And because it's stoneware, you don't have to worry about it leaking or getting water.
Brand new today, K83374 is your item number. Yes, we've got the
candle not included.
Pawfetti. If you want Pawfetti. We only have 200 in the Pawfetti.
That's so sweet.
That's gonna go. We have the green, 200, blue, 250. There is your confetti, 340, and then these are old floral lace. This is your gray, 170, red, 250, cranberry. 160, there's your cobalt blue, 280, and then there's your black, 160. K83374 is your item number. Okay, come on over here.
Yes, I'm so excited about this.
It's time to...
2 brand new items. What?
I'm grinding.
Oh.